I'm going to take you on a quick run back here while the guys are across the street cutting some stuff, just so you can see what's happened. Dee-da-dee. Let's go inside. So, this will, oh look, a nice big window, big window. There's the door. There's a small window there, and that'll be the barn doors. There's the start of our workshop. Huh. Look at this mess. Look at my yard.